And so we've got this one, which is going to be our, where all the pottery is going to go. And then we have this one in front, which is where the pottery wheel is going to go. And this is where I'm going to be doing all my throwing. So yeah, so we're just setting up the walls now. And yeah, so that's why the booths are a little wonky, because we're trying to get so many people to fit. They changed the maps, and then all the spray paint got washed away, and then the people came out 4 o'clock in the morning to re-spray paint, but were using the wrong map, so it got a little crazy and confusing.
30 or 40.
Okay.
That work?
Yeah.
Pretty easy now, right?
Yep.
Have you ever seen Boondoggle?
The wheel's all set up. Here we go. So we're going to be getting a windstorm soon. So this is all we're doing for Friday. So we had a wind and rain advisory last night, but it looks like most everything survived. I did already get to tablecloths on the tables. Now we're just gonna get the rest of it unloaded and set up. The farm has a lot of horses that we're doing the Ren Fair at. There we go. Here we are.
And then the next week.
So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna shape it. That's what she needs. So ready?
Yeah, so it's not dishwasher.
Wanna come look at it?
So I injured my finger earlier during a demo, so I'm teaching today. Yeah.
That was my. Yeah,
Go
I'm
down.
trying to flatten the bottom.
Use a sponge, that'll help.
sponge,
Yep,
okay.
it'll get it flat.
Oh yeah, it does.
Sponges are your best friend.
All right. So.
And then actually, that extra stuff that's coming off your fingers is called slip.
Yeah.
And you can use it to coat your hands so you don't have to use as much water.
Oh.
So you can actually just leave it on your hands. There you go.
All right.
Yeah, no problem. Awesome. Yeah, I have to say, you're pretty good at pulling those walls.
Huh?
Huh?
Ah.
There you go.
England.
here we are, day 2. And so this is Sunday, and we are going to set up again, and then the Ren Fair will be over tonight, so we'll be packing up and headed out. It got a little cold overnight, so my throwing water froze over. But I'm sure if we set it out in the sun, it'll dry. Has some crazy views too, kind of cool. So with the wind advisory, I actually took most everything down, and we're just gonna set it back all up now. So I may or may not have been waylaid by a bookshop here that sells like really old books, and they had this one. I've been looking for it for a while, so I was really excited to find it. So yeah, I bought a book. Day 2. Set up. There.
Alright. So, this one's a little wonky, so I think we should cut it in half. Yeah? Should we see what it looks like inside?
Are you
Cut it right in half.
Are you a siren?
Whoa. That's what it looks
I
like.
still haven't guessed it. Are you?
I'm just trying to decide. I actually don't know what shape I want it to be.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like that. There. See, when you talk about fiddling.
Disowned.
See? I said when you talked about fiddling. I'm probably doing too much fiddling right now.
You can look.
Alright, that's pretty standard. So now I'm going to open it. Ready? Just going to put a hole in it. That's what makes it this color. So I'm just moving that clay up.
As we hit too hard.